Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Children, today I am going to teach you chapter 7 in maths. This is basic geometry. In previous part of the video we have covered few topics like plane shapes and solid shapes, and in this part of the video we are going to cover straight and curved lines, vertical and horizontal lines, drawing lines and tracing shapes. So let's start with straight and curved lines. Children, this is a straight line. Now I am giving you an example. Take a ribbon and hold it both hands tightly. Now it looks like a straight line. It looks like a straight line. Now loosen it a little. अब हम इसे लूज कर देंगे थोड़ा सा. Now it is not straight, it is now curved. This is curved line. Children, curved line can be like this. This is also curved. This is also curved. These all lines are curved lines. Clear? Now this is a slanting line. It is also a straight line. Children, now look this ribbon again. Now I am raising one side of my hand. It looks like it. This is slanting line. It is also a straight line. Now vertical and horizontal line. A straight line from left to right is a horizontal line. Children, the line which we draw from left to right. This side is left and we are going to start line from here. This is a straight line. And this line is called horizontal line. Clear? Now we will see vertical lines. From top to bottom, the line which is drawn like this, this is top to bottom, this line is called vertical line. Now how can we draw it? From top to bottom, this line is vertical line. Now these are straight lines. Children, you can see here horizontal lines. These are horizontal lines. These are vertical lines and these are slanting lines. These all lines are straight. ये सभी लाइन सीधी होती हैं. A ruler or scale is used to draw a straight line. Children, how can we draw these lines? We have to take the help of scale or ruler to draw these lines. We also use it to measure lines that are already drawn. Children, we can use the scale to draw line. Take a ruler and hold it firmly so that it does not move. Now take a sharpened pencil and draw the lines like it. Like it. And children, you can measure these lines also because few numbers are written here on the scale. Drawing lines. There are some other things we can use to draw lines, but we cannot measure lines using them. Children, we can use these objects to draw lines, but we cannot measure lines with the help of these objects. To draw curved lines, we use a special instrument called compass. Children, this one is compass. If you want to draw a circle or curve, then you can use the compass. Curved lines can also be drawn using some objects or freehand. Children, we can draw curved line using the few objects like bowl, and we can draw freehand also. Look here. and you can draw with the help of this also. Now clear? Tracing shape. Children, how can you trace the shape? Look here. We can trace some flat shapes using the base of solid shape things. Look here, this one is solid shape. If you want to draw a circle, then you can use the base of this object. For example, the base of a bucket and bottle give us a circle. Here I am giving you some other example. We can use, you know what is it? This is cuboid. If we want to draw flat shape with the help of this, then we have to put like it. With the help of this box, we can draw flat shape rectangle. You can see here what we use here. We use the base of this solid shape. Thank you, children.